welcome back to my channel. This is the first video of 2020. Oh my gosh, 2019 has been a lot of fun. I just time to say goodbye to 2019, but though I got no time to say goodbye to 2019. But did you guys see 2020 killing 2019 on Instagram? All the memes is literally everywhere. I was like, why do you guys have to do this? Why? But anyways, maybe they make it for entertainment or laughter. This is just fine. But do my squishy collection of 2020. And today I just going to do my part 1 and my part 2 is on the way. Anyway, stay tuned for my part. So this video took me 4 days to make it. Oh my god. So yeah. 2 of my squishy collection. So without any further ado, let's hop right in. Let's start off with our Polymer squishies. So here's my husky bun. Here's the tag. Here's the bear. Here's some panda one. And here are the packaging for the panda and the husky. Here's I got this pig bun. This yummy bear in a cup. The brown version. So I got this puppy butter bun. Guys, I was over here again. Later on I was here. Some of the clips have the metal sound. It's my curtain. I'm so sorry about it, but yeah. So next I got this box one. This is my yummy bear with the hamburger on top of the head. Here's the packaging. Next I got this yummy bear sakura. Here's the packaging. So I got this yummy bear. He have this strawberry on top. So I got this baby bear, the yummy bear. Here's the boy one. Here's the packaging and the tag. The Luna, the mermaid squishy. Ponymaru, the cat donut. I got this yummy bear with the panda design. Here's the acrylic tag and the ball chain, and this is to give me the vibe of Mickey Mouse. Yummy bear, the Twilight squishies. It's Primaru pancake squishy, and it's the bear one. And here's the butter flavor one. Here's I got this Onisu Cafe Dango squishies. Next I got the Chawa, the cake squishy. this toe squishy. Got this unicorn squishy on my little twin star. It's a Yummy Bear, the original design donut. So here's the tag. So next I got this Yummy Bear, the hamburger design. This did it by Australia. If you guys do not know her, she have YouTube and Instagram, you can check her out. And here's the tag. This Polymaru multi-seal. I got this strawberry version one. And it's meditate at the bottom. Even so, I changed the background and the lighting here is much better. So yeah, I got this Only Sweet Cafe, the logo squishy. Here's the bottom of it. Sorry, there's a little bit of stain here because my box have an ink on top of it. So yeah. This squishy here, and it's a pepper zoo squishy, and it's the ship squishy, the spaceship one, and the nose and the bottom here. If you guys wonder what happened, basically this squishy part here got destroyed by my dog, and the bottom here as well. So I got this Yummy nose ship squishy. It's pretty defected. Yeah. This squirrel squishy. Next I got this cutie creative tooth with the toothpaste on top of it. Shrilakoma squishy. Okay, bye. I got this Only Sweet Cafe, the fluffy pink dog. She adorable, so squishy. Next I got this Sammy the Kitchen squishy, which is the soft serve ice cream with a cup on it. Stick squishy. I got this cutie, the cat squishy here. It's very adorable. So here's my baby angel squishy. Here's my Polymaru seashell squishy. Here's the blue one, the gradient one, yellow, pink and blue. Here's the pink one. Shower eye shave squishy, and this is the blue one. So I got this 3 Daiso squishy, the brown bear. This grey cat. This yellow cat. So I got this Polybun sugar bun squishy. Here's the tag. Here's the bag. Squishy mushy bestie squishy. Fortune cookie squishy mushy squishy. So next I got the full set of the Polymaru squishy. So I got the baby one. Got the Polymaru, the brown one. I got the Polymaru, the original one. Guys, so this is my day to my making my squishy collection, and I'm going to not going to change any background anymore, so just bear with me in this video. So yeah, so I got this poodle, this squishy mushy, and all my squishy mushy does not come with bestie. Yeah, this panda. So I got this squishy mushy character. I don't have no idea what's the character name of. If you guys know, comment down below and let me know. Girl, this spaghetti. And yes, I got this squishy mushy, the full set of it, Hoggy mint. Hey guys, I'm over here doing another voiceover. There is my dog behind the burger blowing his toys. I'm so sorry about that. The cookie squishy. Girl squishy. If you guys haven't seen my top 10 favorite squishy of 2019, you can check it out. I can link down below the description box down below. Girl squishy wearing a spectacle and the eye wing. This is my best school squishy. The bag. Polly in the pig costume. This cow Polly in a costume. And my cereal chicories. This character or this cereal squishy. I do not know what's the dog name. Anybody know what's his name? Please comment down below. I really have no idea what his name is. Yes, I got this curvy. Pom viewing chicory. So I got this girl in a chicken costume. Very soft. And this year is a year of mouse, but I got this the year of the rooster. This is cafe dangle cat squishies. And this is the galaxy design. Uncle Bakery, the sugar bun. Where is that? So next I got this pink rabbit squishy in the cake roll. I have no idea what's the name. Do let me know what is the name of this rabbit squishy. Marshmallow, the girl squishy. I believe produced by 2017. So now here's my bun squishy. Next I got this squishy character squishy. This Chicky the monkey. Bunny Cafe the hot air balloon. So here's the next pin of my squishy collection. It's this OG Panda squishy with the mustache. It's orange. The squishy, here's the tag. I got this Doraemon, the pancake red bean. this design, and there's an eaten up one. I got this Kippy the Parasol, the pancake. Got this Hello Kitty donut squishy. Next I got this purple semi macaron or strawberry squishy. Go the girl wearing a crown squishy. Puff rainbow melon bun by Cutie Creative. It's a rubber tag. Another best go squishy, but this is a keychain which can hang your key at the bottom right here. Also I got this pom pom in the cake roll. Next I got the pom pom pairing toast. I got the pom pom pairing the cupcake. Next I got this cafe and pink donut. Next I got this pineapple donut squishy, and this is really cute, and this by Lampo. If you guys don't have it, you should get one soon. It's very adorable. F sandwich, pie chow, the melon bun squishy. So I got this Rilla Coma toast squishy. I made the Christmas cake. And this green cow. I got this so many years ago. Oh my gosh. I got this cat squishy. This one orange from Cotton. This chopper in the Hello Kitty costume. Next I got this Mickey Mouse toast. Next I got this pig squishy cornet in the pink filling. Pink crystal by Sakura. So next I got this Best Go pancake. It's the blueberry one. Next I got this Choco Bear squishy. This Vampire Bear squishy. The pink one. This ramen cute bear. I do not know why there's a yellow stain over there. I have no idea. Mother Garden the ice cream. G rabbit by Yumino. The cute unicorn squishy here. Here is the tag. There is the common ice cream. So I got this Best Go headband squishy. Back. Monkey cake squishy. Got this cake squishy by the anime show. Next I got this squishy character. I got this rare squishy Japanese character. I have no idea what this. I got this monkey squishy. Next I got this Antoinette hamburger. I got this Donald Duck, Easy, Mickey Mouse, Loaf, Tapu, Mickey Mouse, Story Alien Squishy. This is cheap. There is my Stitch. So I got this Kurokuma the cupcake squishy. Rilakkuma headband. So I got this Rilakkuma dorayaki with a chocolate filling. Here's the back. It's a very small tag. And here's the packaging. Rilakkuma and Koreakuma pancake. Rilakkuma the toast. The mushroom costume. Koreakuma and a stack macaron. Rilakkuma the stack macaron as well. Here's a K-tori ice cream. Here's the tag. Rilakkuma the pink headband. Here's the very cute tag. Dorayaki the white filling. Rilakkuma ice cold squishy. So next I got this marshmallow squishy, very tiny squishy bread from a seller on Instagram. So I got this Hello Kitty, and I'm gonna carry on a Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty in the bunny costume. Kitty the chocolate cracker squishy. This Hello Kitty the ice cream. And I want to get this Hello Kitty squishy. So I got this Hello Kitty chocolate squishy. Hello Kitty the cake squishy. Hello Kitty in the panda costume. This Hello Kitty the headband squishy. Next I got this Hello Kitty the soap squishy. So I got this Hello Kitty defected squishy donut. Got this very yellowish deco squishy Hello Kitty donut with waffle. Here's the chocolate. Don't ask me why the technical the cake is the second and this is a strawberry chocolate squishy. Over here editing. So welcome to the end of my part 1 squishy collection. And I know that I'm doing the vlog style right now because I'm too lazy to just take my tripod and take out, you know what I mean. So hope you guys enjoy my video and see you guys in the next video on my part 2 squishy collection. So remember to comment, like and subscribe if you haven't followed my social media right over here. And see you guys in the next video. Bye!